Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to be making a ear mask using just two ingredients, which is banana and egg. Banana contains natural oils and moisture that can deeply hydrate dry and brittle hair, make it softer and more manageable. They can help smooth the hair cuticle, reduce frizz and anti-shine. So I'm going to be using 4 bananas. You can use as many as you want. So banana contain potassium, a key nutrient in banana, helps strengthen hair follicle and improve hair elasticity, which can reduce breakage and split end. Nutrients like potassium, vitamin A, B, C and E, and minerals in bananas nourish the scalp and hair follicle, potentially stimulate hair growth. Antioxidants in bananas can help reduce oxidative stress on hair follicle, promoting a healthy environment for hair growth. Bananas possess antimicrobial property that can help smooth the hair and heal a dry, flake or itchy scalp. They can help reduce dandruff and other scalp issues, creating a healthier foundation for hair growth. So if you don't have a blender, you can mash it like I'm doing right now, or you can also blend it with your blender. Please, if you blend it until it becomes smooth like so. So if you can see any lumps or any residue in it, you can strain it out. So our next ingredient is egg. I will be using 1 egg in this product, in this recipe for hair growth. Eggs have biotin and other nutrients which are essential for hair growth and can help prevent hair loss. The protein in egg helps rebuild this and strengthen hair strand, make them more resistant to breakage. So I'm going to add 1 egg to it, then mix it very well so it can combine together. Egg yolks are rich in fats that can help moisturize and hydrate dry hair, making it softer and more manageable. So after mixing it together, then I will go ahead and add in my hair growth oil. This hair growth oil is already up on my channel. You can check it out or wait for the next video, which I will upload a new video on how to make this hair growth oil. So after adding my hair growth oil, then I mix it together so it can combine together. Please make sure you strain out your banana. I did not strain out mine, so I have residue on my hair after washing it out. Please make sure you strain it out with your wig cap, a strainer, just anything you can use it to strain out your product. So this is my hair. I just wash it and shampoo it. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply this hair mask, this protein, this banana and egg protein to it. So I will apply it to my hair generally, then apply it on my scalp. So make sure you apply it on a clean hair, then make sure it's coated every single part of your hair, your scalp, to your strand, to your tips. That tip is very important because that is the oldest part of our hair. So this, after using this protein, my hair feel very soft and my coil starts popping up. Like this really divine my coil. I was so very happy because since I started using protein, this is the best. Like my coil starts popping up, so and my hair is now longer. If you are experiencing dandruff, please incorporate egg in your products. Egg can help cleanse the scalp and reduce dandruff due to their nourishing and moisturizing properties. For those with oily scalp, egg white can help reduce excess sebum while still providing protein for hair strength. The nutrients in egg can help repair damage caused by heat styling, chemical treatment or other factors. So using egg on your hair can really help a long way, like help a long way. And using banana can also help a long way. Use this once in a month and you will definitely see the result. Your hair will become longer, healthier and softer. So if you are experiencing shedding, maybe your hair is lacking protein, so this hair protein is very good for hair. If you watch this video to this extent and you are not yet to subscribe, please, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to the channel, be my family, so we can grow our hair healthier and longer. Please subscribe and also share to your family and friends. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for sharing. Also comment. Thank you so much. So after I apply it on my hair, every part of my hair, my strand, so I also apply it on my scalp because that also need the love. Our edges also need the love. Please don't neglect your edges because that is actually the beautiful part of our hair. So after I apply it thoroughly on my hair, I also cover it with a plastic bag so it can penetrate into my hair strand. Please, I cover my hair with a plastic. You can also cover it with a shower cap or a steamer. If you have a steamer, you can also use a steamer to steam your hair. So that is it for today's video. That is all I do on my channel. If you find this video very useful and helpful, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, then turn on the notification bell. Also share your thoughts in the comment section, then share to your family and friends, and I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.